In this video, I'll show you how to connect Porkbun domain to Shopify. So it's very easy. And the first step, you want to open settings in bottom left corner. So click on settings here. And next from here, you want to choose domains. And now you will see your default Shopify domain. And to add your custom domain, you want to click on connect existing. And then here you need to paste your Porkbun domain. So I'm going to copy my Porkbun domain. I'm going to paste it here, then click next. Domain added to your store. And now this is the most important. You need to add those two records in your DNS settings in Porkbun. So the first one is CNAME, name is www, and this is the value. So let's say I'm going to copy this value of this first DNS record. Now go to Porkbun and hover your mouse over your domain and you will see this small DNS text. Click on this DNS. And from here you need to add those two records. But before that, if you have existing A or CNAME record, so here you can see your type of record, you need to delete those records because it can mess your records and then it might not work. So I'm going to delete my old records. Now the first record was CNAME. So CNAME host, you can leave this blank, this host, and the value was this. No. A host is www. So in the host type www and then this value. Then click add. Now the first record has been added. And second one is a record. So type is a, this is name. And we need to update it to this value. So make sure to copy this value and choose a record. Now you can leave the host blank in this case and just paste the value, then add. So those are your two records added. Now if I go to Shopify again, you need to click on I updated DNS records. So both records were verified and now it's making some TLS certificate for secure connections. So just need to wait for this, but the DNS records are successfully connected. And now after this certificate is done, so this means your domain is connected. And that's all for this video. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials. As you can see, the domain is also working, but I don't have my store yet, so that's all.